morning to the students of class 5. Students, we were doing the topic decimals. Children, we have learnt the addition, subtraction and multiplication of decimals. Now in today's class, we will learn the division of decimals. At first, we will learn how to divide the decimal numbers by 10 and multiples of 10 like 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. So children, for dividing the decimals by powers of 10 such as 10, 100 or 1000, we will have to move the decimal point of the dividend to the left the same number of places as there are zeros in the powers of 10. So here we have an example, that is 2510.0, that is at first divided by 10. So children, as we have learned the rule just now that we will have to shift the decimal point. Now from which side to which side? Always remember children, from the right side to left side. We will have to shift the decimal point as many places as there are number of zeros after 1. That means the divisor. So in the first case, it is being divided by 10. So children, in 10, after 1, how many zeros are there? After 1, only 1 zero is there. That means initially the decimal point which is over here, it is going to shift from the right side to the left side 1 place. That means the point will come after 1. So here you are getting 251.0. Now in the next case, you are again dividing 2510.0 with 100. So here also, see children, in case of 100 you have 2 zeros after 1. So in this case again what you will do, you have the decimal point over here originally. So you are shifting the point 2 places from the right side to left side. So the point will come over here. That means the point will come after 5. So you are getting 25.10 as the answer. Now in the next case you have 2510.0, again the same number which has been divided by 1000. Now children, in 1000 after 1 you have 3 zeros. Alright. So you know that 3 zeros means you will have to shift the decimal point 3 places from the right side to the left side. That means here 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. So the point will come over here after 2. That is why you are getting 2.51. Now children, one thing to mention, that the process of division of the decimals using the 10 and multiples of 10 is just the reverse of the process of multiplication. In case of multiplication, what did you do? You have shifted the decimal point from the left side to right side. As many number of zeros are there, after 1 you have shifted the decimal point from the left side to right side. Now in case of division, it is just the reverse. You are shifting from right side to left side. Always remember children, from right to left in case of division. So students, we will have to move the decimal point towards the left from right side. And how many places you are going to move? You will have to keep this in mind, that number of zeros will be equal to the number of place you move. Here 2 more examples are given. 87.6 you are dividing by 100. So children, in 100, after 1 you have how many zeros? Here 1 zero, here 2 zero. So that means you will have to shift the decimal point 2 places towards the left. So here 1 place, here 2 place. You can see the decimal point has been shifted 2 places and you are getting 0.876. Alright, this is what you are getting. Now the next one also, 5.0, you are dividing it by 1000. So children, initially the point is over here. So since in 1000 3 zeros are present, that is why we will have to shift the decimal point 3 places from right side to left side. So as you can see that the point was initially after 5 and it came over here 3 places. Here 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. Okay. That means what? This 5.0, when you are dividing with 1000, you will have to keep in mind that you will have to bring 2 extra zeros here. Therefore, you are getting 0.005 as the answer. Now let's work out a few sums of your maths textbook. Here in question number 1 you have complete the table. So you have a table given over here. Again you will have to divide the given numbers at first by 10, then by 100, then by 1000. So in question number A you have 389. At first you are dividing by 10. That means initially the point is over here. Okay. So it is shifting 1 place. That means it will come after 8. So you are getting 38.9. Now the next you are dividing by 100. So again children, in 100 how many zeros after 1? 2 zeros. So that means it is going to shift, the decimal point is going to shift 2 places towards the left. So here it was initially over here 1 place, 2 place. So it came after 3. That means it came before 8. So you are getting 3.89. Now in the next case you are dividing by 1000. So initially the point was over here. You dividing by 1000 means it is going to shift 3 places. The decimal point is going to shift 3 places and come over here. Only thing is that children, you will have to count the number of places and then put the decimal point in the correct place. Now in the next sum also 0.8. So here again the point is going to shift 1 place towards the left when you are dividing by 10 and it came over here. Now again it was initially after 0, that means it was initially before 8. When you are dividing with 100, it came 1 place, 2 place. So it came over here. Now in case of division with 1000, it was initially over here. It will move 3 places. Here 1, 2, 3. So it will come over here. So you are getting 0.0008. Alright. In the same way, the next 2 parts are also done. In part C, you have 4.532. So here children, again in case of division with 10, you are shifting the point 1 place and you are getting 0.4532. Now in the next case, while dividing with 100, you are shifting 2 places and you are getting 0.04532. In the next one, you are dividing with 1000. So the decimal point is going to shift 3 places. So it was initially after 4. So here 1, 2, 3. Okay. It will come over here and you will have to put extra zeros. Next part D, 93.85. You will first have to divide with 10. So in case of division with 10, the point is shifting 1 place and you are getting 9.385. In the next case, you are dividing with 100. The point was initially over here. So 2 places it is moving, that means point will come over here and you are getting 0.9385. Now in the next case, Initially the point was after 3. So it is moving 3 places. That means here 1, 2, 3. 3 places it is moving, and you are getting 0.09385. Alright. So in this way you are going to complete the table. At first divide by 10, then divide by 100, then divide by 1000. Now the next question, question number 2. Write the one-step operation you would use to change these numbers. So the first case, you have 6.2, it is being converted to 0.62. So children, in this case the decimal point shifted only one place from right to left. Keep in mind, right to left. So children, right to left means, you know division. Division by what? Since it has shifted one place, that means divide by 10. Alright. Now the next one also, 4 to 0.004. Now children, it was 4. That means the point is here. So it has become 0.004. That means how many places it has shifted? Here 1, 2, 3. 3 places it has shifted. That is why the point came over here, and you introduced 2 more zeros. Then only you have got 0.004. So actually in this case again it is moving from right to left, and right to left means divide, and divide by what? Divide by 1000. Since it has shifted 3 places from right to left, that's why divide by 1000. Now in the next case also, 60 to 0.6. So children, 60 means initially the point is over here. So actually you can see that point came before 6. That means it became 0.6. So the point moved again right to left, and how many places? 2 places. 2 places means divide by 100. It has moved right to left, that means divide, and divide with what? Since it has moved 2 places, divide with 100. Now the next one, question number 3, divide, do not show any working. That means without performing the actual division, you will have to write the answer. Come to the first part, 15.9 divide by 10. So children, you are dividing with 10. 10 means the decimal point is going to shift one place from right to left. So you are getting 1.59. Next, 319.7, you are dividing by 100. So again divide by 100 means after 1 you have 2 zeros in case of 100. So you are shifting the point 2 places. Here 1, here 2. 2 places you are shifting. That means the point will come before 1. So you are getting 3.197. Next, 0.7 dividing with 100. So 0.7, when you are dividing by 100, that means in 100 again you have 2 zeros. You are shifting 1, 2. So point will come over here, and you will have to bring another 0 over here. So that means actually you are getting 0.007. Done. Next, 2 divide by 1000. So children, 2 divide by 1000, in 2 you have the point over here. So in 1000, 3 zeros are present after 1. So you need to shift the decimal point 3 places from right to left. That means 1, 2, 3. Only you will have to count the places correct, in the correct manner. Otherwise, your sum will go wrong. So make sure that while counting the places, you count it properly, and then only after that put the decimal point. So the point will come over here. So here in 2 places, you will have to put 2 zeros. So you are getting 0.002. Next sum, 62.07 divided by 10,000. So you are writing 62.07 divided by 10,000. So children, in 10,000, how many zeros after 1? 4 zeros. So you will have to shift 4 places the decimal point from right to left. So let's start counting the place. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to give the point over here. So after giving the point over here, you need to put 2 zeros in this place. And you are getting 0.006207. Done. Now in the next sum also, 259.38 you are dividing by 10. So in 10 you have 1 0 after 1. So you are shifting the decimal point only one place. That means the point will come over here after 5 and you will get 25.938. Alright children. So you are going to work out these sums in your classwork maths notebook. Thank you all for today.